Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Singh. I am BC and MCA graduate, but I didn't get job. After that, I know about Division TechnoServe from a social media app, and I take training of 45 days program in Division, and it played a very well role in my life, in my career, and I got placed in EXL Darsil with 2.6 CTC, and yeah, I am very happy with, and I also prefer Vision to join people and get their dream jobs as well. And my HR ma'am, Gulnaz ma'am and Priya ma'am and Ganesh sir playing an important role for me and trained me very well. That's why I got selected in EXL Darsil, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much, Vision.